YDM Xiamen Intelligent Technology Company Limited is an enterprise integrating industry and trade. It is a national high-tech enterprise with independent R&D and innovation capabilities. Include shoemaking production line, silicone making production line, automatic paint and glue dispensing equipment, relay making production line, basketball making production line. The company has gathered a group of professionals in machine vision algorithm development, software application development, optical imaging, electrical design, mechanical design, motion control, and other fields, and has strong product development capability. Our company has vigorously absorbed and digested advanced technologies at home and abroad, improved them. Our products have advanced design, simple structure, beautiful appearance, and long service life, and all performance indexes and quality have reached or exceeded the domestic advanced level. Our machine is widely used in the automation industry and is generally praised by the majority of users. With excellent quality and competitive price, our products are exported to Egypt, Russia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Turkey, Poland, Colombia, Indonesia, Mexico, and other dozens of countries.
YDM Intelligent Technology Company is an enterprise integrating industry and trade in Xiamen. It's a national high-tech enterprise with independent R&D and innovation capabilities. We focus on automatic technological research, production, and application. With excellent quality and competitive price, we attract customers from all around the world. YDM will be your faithful partner to realize your dreams.